Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another motor vlog. Sunday morning traffic, what a bliss. What's happening, what's going on? Hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. We are late. Let's meet our friends and I'll carry on. Here is our Baba.
मजबूती देख रहे हो लौंडे की.
What's up, bro? So we were waiting on this bridge and I had kept my helmet on the bike. What's up, bro? तोड़ दिया पनवती.
भाई पक्का चिपकेगा और ये रोक भी लेगा कभी. इससे बेकार वाली चीज़ मैंने चिपकाई है.
Let's try Fevikwik.
दो बूंद जिंदगी की.
कहाँ लेके जा?
मरेगा मेरे ऊपर उड़ेगा, मेरे बाल ऊपर जाएंगे.
परमानेंट हो जाएगा ना, झड़ेगा नहीं.
मैं हाथ की बात बोल रहा हूँ.
पूरा बॉटल खाली कर बाबा.
दूसरा भी खाली कर.
दूसरा भी खाली करेगा. आ भी गया भाई कसाला डोसा.
रेडी था रे, सिर्फ थोड़ा ऐसा.
गरम करके लेके आया वो. चल जितना पैसा ले रहे उतना बड़ा डोसा तो है. चिपका लेगा तू बाबा. कैसा है ब्रो? डोसे की बात करो, तेरी नहीं.
शटी में खा रहा भाई.
हाँ खाना बाबा, तेरे को भी फुटेज मिलेगा. अरे अरे सो बाबा हैज डन हिज मैजिक. 2 बाटली फेविक्विक चिपका दिया बाबा ने. ओके माइक टेस्टिंग 1 2 3. गिरने के बाद पहली बार रिकॉर्डिंग. लेट्स सी इफ आई एम ऑडिबल. इज इट वर्किंग? आई होप इट इज वर्किंग. सो हैड अ ब्रेकफास्ट and now let's go. We are heading towards Alibag. Finally GoPro is on my helmet now. I can at least motovlog a little bit, but I need to be very careful now. Or else if it falls on the road it's gone. मेरा lens तो टूटेगा ही टूटेगा GoPro का. Let's see if I get any scenic views on the way, or else I'll straight away show you guys Alibag. JSW Steel, Neo Steel, New Steel, नई चोरी. एयर पिलोज कैसे लेके जा रहे पापा? ये क्या है भाई? एक्सपल्स झटके कैसे दे रहा है तू मेरे को? ऑफ रोडर है तू, मेरे को झटके कैसे दे सकता है भाई? ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? ये देखो भाई, ये देखो, ये उड़ा रहा है धूल मिट्टी. river is it? River or creek? Maybe creek. So we have entered Alibag officially. I guess I should go ahead. Let's enjoy this ghat. There is traffic today, Sunday. Ooh, nice curves. These guys are totally ruining it. Thank you. अभी मजा आएगा ना बिडू. What a view, what a view, what a view, what a view, what a view.
For so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you. Coming like a wrecking ball, crying on me, saying how they make you feel so small.
So we had to exit Alibag city because it was extremely crowded, like very crowded. I don't know everyone is visiting Alibag today or what, I don't know. The Alibag beach was so crowded I didn't even feel like stepping inside. I told Shivam and Dharmesh, let's take a U-turn from here itself. I don't want to enter the beach. And so we decided to leave Alibag and go a little ahead towards Murud, towards Naigaon beach. Naigaon? Yeah, Naigaon or Naugao, some beach, which was I guess 10 kilometers from Alibag beach. And I have been on that beach before, like for the first, that was my first long ride when I went to Alibag on my Continental GT. People are rash driving on these roads, man. Like they overtake like stupids. And I am not actually seeing locals wearing masks here. No one cares about wearing masks. I guess people who are visiting from outside are only the ones who are wearing masks, or else I don't see anyone wearing masks.
Okay.
I don't know where we are right now, but I'm sure this thing will lead to a beach, and eventually I will get less crowd, or maybe I can take my bike. These are all private properties, but hopefully there should be a way. Just enter somewhere. Just check if you can go somewhere. मैं आगे जाके आऊँ. मैं जाके आऊँ. Oh boy. Okay, dead end. इतना एडवेंचर तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Let's see if I can take the bike. Because if we can, I will. No, we cannot. इतना वाटर क्रॉसिंग नहीं कर पाएगा एक्सपल्स. मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. But yeah, it's a good place. I guess there are fishermen there. Just a chill spot. चिल तो यहाँ पे भी मार सकते, लेकिन हमने कुछ खाने के लिए लाया नहीं है बाबा. बेयर ग्रिल्स. शेर के पंजे के निशाने बोलता है. मैं बोल रहा था बाइक चढ़ा तो सकता हूँ मैं, लेकिन लेके नहीं जा सकता पानी में से. आगे वो लोग फिशिंग कर रहे हैं ब्रो. केकड़ा है. केकड़ा है,
हाथ में ऐसे ही
गया नीचे, गया नीचे, गया नीचे, गया। चल भाई, वहाँ से कोई बाइक उठा के लेके जाएगा। लेकिन लोकेशन अच्छा है ना बाबा? नाही असंच फिरतोय. तिकडनं बीचवर जायला आहे, बाहेरून जायला ना. 1:45. ट्रेल राइडिंग ब्रो.
भाई हम तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
यहाँ से एक रास्ता है ना. आओ एक और रास्ता चेकआउट करते हैं. होपफुली बीच हो.
ये हमारी कार है
ओ,
और ये हमें, और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है.
नहीं बीच तो दिख रहा था रे, लेकिन बीच तक बाइक जाने वाला बीच नहीं दिख रहा था मेरे को. कहाँ से? हाँ मैं उतार सकता हूँ. अरे उतर जाएगी, उतर जाएगी बाबा. ओ एक नंबर. लाइन देखा, लाइन देख के उतार. आजा. That's it bro. अबे पहले इधर तो आ. Is it recording? Lol. I just took off my eyes of bike and it's gone down. Wow.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no.
अरे नीचे देख पानी है. ओ हाँ लेकिन इतना नीचे कैसे गया पानी में?
पत्थर रख उसके नीचे. फेविक्विक से चिपका, जल्दी चिपका.
अबे
घुसेड़ दिया अंदर.
नहीं रे, ऊपर ही रखा था वो. धीरे 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 नीचे चला गया. फर्स्ट ड्रॉप. बाबा पत्थर लाना. रुक रुक. हाँ ये तो कुछ काम का ही नहीं है भाई. वो तो ठीक है सैंड में गिरी, वरना लीवर बेंड हो जाता था.
For years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys who choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long. broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you. Coming like a wrecking ball.
कैसा पहना है? मेरा नाम जोकर. चलो, let's go. Had lunch here at पंचवटी बीच रिसॉर्ट. रिसॉर्ट किधर है भाई? बन रहा है. ओके, प्योर वेज. The food was good, but I liked it. The plan is to reach home before it gets dark. So right now the time is around 3:30. It will take approximately 3 hours for us to reach because we'll be taking a short break in between. So yeah, 110-120 odd kilometers to home. So you guys saw the fall on the beach, and you must have seen that the bar end weights, I won't call it weights, those are just plastic pieces which have a show shining. The bike fell on the sand and it was so soft that my side stand was going inside. I didn't notice that my bike was like slowly tilting on the left. So you can imagine this thing is so pathetic with its quality. This was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you enjoyed my bike falling for the first time, press that like button. Hit it. And what? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. घर जाते जाते ऐसी ट्रैफिक मिलने वाला है. Peace.
Baby, hurry up, back to me. Why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you.